Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Looking for ideal storage racks you can't buy at a store?
Do what Jared J. did and reuse salvaged materials.
In this Iowa farmer's case, it was hog panels and pallet rack legs.
Jared bent a section of hog panel at several 45-degree angles to create this rack and hold large wrenches and long shop tools.
To create a sledgehammer rack, Jared cut a section and a half out of a hog panel. The loose rods out of that section are bent at 90-degree angles to create the hanging arms for the hammer.
He created simple racks for locking wrenches, welding clamps, and C-clamps from this pallet rack leg and metal strut material.
For this, Jared simply cut whatever length was needed to hold all his wrenches and then screwed the leg's mounting bracket to the wall.
If you don't have access to pallet rack legs, you can use other angle iron or scrap material.
These mounting brackets and racks are not only sturdier than anything you can buy, but they're absolutely free.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for Scrap Racks, submitted by Jared J. in the Shop Hacks contest.